Hey everyone, Neil deGrasse Tyson here, and let's face it, the future is closer than it appears in the rearview mirror. We're on the cusp of a world where robots aren't just helping us build cars or explore Mars, they're poised to reshape the very fabric of our society. Imagine a world where factories hum with the precision of 1 million robotic arms, tirelessly churning out everything from smartphones to skyscrapers. This isn't science fiction, folks. It's the road we're speeding down. But hold on, because this ride comes with some serious twists and turns. This transformation will touch everything: how we make money, how we spend our time, even how we define ourselves as human beings. So buckle up as we explore the key shifts that will define this new era of automation. First off, let's talk economics. With robots doing most of the heavy lifting, the cost of producing, well, almost everything plummets. We're talking near zero marginal labor costs, people. Your morning coffee, those stylish shoes you've been eyeing, even a brand new car, all dramatically cheaper. Basic needs become abundant, and suddenly poverty as we know it could become a relic of the past. But there's a flip side. This massive deflation throws our traditional economic models out the window. What happens when a worker isn't needed to produce the goods and services we rely on? How do we ensure fair compensation and prevent a scenario where the owners of these automated factories amass unimaginable wealth? These are questions we need to grapple with, and fast. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: jobs. With automation taking over, many traditional jobs, especially those that are repetitive or require a specific set of skills, will inevitably disappear. Truck drivers, factory workers, even some white-collar jobs in finance and law are all on the chopping block. Sounds scary, right? But here's the twist. This could be our chance to redefine the very meaning of work. Freed from the daily grind, we could dedicate ourselves to pursuits that truly ignite our passions. Imagine a world where everyone has the opportunity to become an artist, a musician, a scientist, an entrepreneur, or explore the cosmos from their backyard telescopes. Of course, this requires a safety net. We need to seriously consider concepts like universal basic income to ensure everyone has the means to thrive in this new reality. This brings us to a fascinating crossroads in human history. For centuries, our identities have been deeply intertwined with our professions. But what happens when work is no longer the central pillar of our lives? This is where things get really interesting. We might see a resurgence of community and interpersonal connections. Families could spend more quality time together, exploring the world or simply enjoying each other's company. We could witness a flourishing of the arts and sciences as people, unshackled from the need to earn a living, pursue their passions with renewed vigor. Imagine a world brimming with creativity, innovation, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe around us. This, my friends, is the potential that lies on the other side of automation. Let's not forget about our impact on the planet. Automation has the potential to revolutionize the way we design our cities and manage our resources. Picture this: smart cities with automated traffic flow, buildings that adapt to our needs, and vertical farms that produce fresh food locally, minimizing waste and our carbon footprint. With robots handling the heavy lifting, we can focus on restoring our environment, cleaning our oceans, and transitioning to a sustainable future. And hey, with advanced logistics and transportation, maybe we'll even see a resurgence of rural communities as people are no longer tethered to urban centers for work. But hold on, it's not all rosy. The dawn of widespread automation presents us with some serious ethical dilemmas. Who controls these powerful technologies? How do we prevent the rise of a technocratic elite where a select few hold the keys to the automated kingdom? We need to establish robust regulations and safeguards to ensure that the benefits of automation are shared equitably and that we don't end up creating a world of haves and have-nots. And then there's the big question: artificial intelligence. As robots become more sophisticated, capable of making their own decisions, how do we ensure they align with our values? These are questions that philosophers and scientists have been grappling with for decades, and now they're more urgent than ever. Chapter 6. So, where does this leave us, the human beings in this brave new world? Well, It's time to rethink education. In a world where robots can perform most tasks, rote memorization and standardized tests become obsolete. We need to foster critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and the ability to adapt to a rapidly changing world. The jobs of the future will require skills that robots can't replicate: empathy, complex problem solving, and the ability to connect with others on a human level. This means nurturing curiosity, encouraging lifelong learning, and embracing the unknown with open minds. As we stand on the precipice of this technological revolution, it's natural to feel a mix of excitement and trepidation. The future is uncertain, but one thing's for sure: it's going to be shaped by the choices we make today. The key is to approach these changes thoughtfully, ethically, and with a commitment to ensuring a future where everyone benefits from the advancements we create. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and let's work together to ensure that this new era of automation leads us to a brighter future for all humankind. Subscribe for more.